Hey friends, here's another follow-up video. So listen, if you're still getting the crank and no start, you found the inertia switch, which I showed in the previous video, you reset it, it's still not working, go after the fuse for the fuel pump relay. The fuel pump relay has a fuse. Let's find it. Your fuses. On the left-hand side, you'll see two yellow fuses. Those are 20 amp fuses. The top one of those two goes to the fuel pump relay. The fuel pump relay is over here, but it is permanent. You can't replace it. But that fuse is what we're going to go after today. And look, there's even a fuse puller. Let's pop that out of there. There you go. That little tool is designed to pull fuses. You could also use needle nose pliers. All right, let's pull the fuse. This can get a little tricky, and by the way, it's like my body is contorted right here. It's very hard to reach in here, especially trying to use the camera one-handed. But we're gonna go after that fuse. My first attempt. Oh, I got it there. All right. So let's take a look at this fuse. By the way, here's some other fuses I have. But when we do a close-up view of this yellow one right here, by the way, that's a 20 amp. You cannot mess around with different sizes. If you are going to replace that fuse, you got to do it with another 20 amp fuse. Hey, here's what the crank and no start sounds like with the fuse removed. If you look closely, see that metal little arc in there? It's still in good shape. This fuse is still in order. I'm going to replace it. Again, it's very tight in here, especially with the camera. I'm gonna have to fiddle around here to get it just right. So take your time, make sure you do this correctly. There we go. All right, we'll put the cap back on there. All right, let's come back in and fire it up. There you go, my friends. All right, hey, so for this purpose, what I did is, if you're wondering, in the very beginning of the video when I showed you the crank and no start, I actually pulled that fuse, did the crank just to show you, but my fuse was actually in good shape, as I kind of showed you there at the end. So just to summarize, if your fuel pump is not working, you're not getting fuel there, crank no start, double check that that fuse is in good shape. Make sure that you push down on that inertia button or the fuel pump cutoff switch. Push down on that thing. If both of those are not working, now you're having more and more evidence that you do need to replace the fuel pump. So make sure you do the easy steps first before you start doing some of these big things like changing the fuel pump. Hey friends, I hope today's video helped you out. If it did, give it a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel. We'll see you next time.